What's up, everyone? Eddie here with Insane Hobbies and RCs. Today is Sunday Fun Day, so we're trying to do something fun. So we came up with this crazy idea that we want to see how fast these drones are. We've never really clocked one or tested it, so we're going to do a speed test. So we have the Umugod, and we're going to be flying with 1500 milliamp graphene batteries, and these batteries are old. And we have the Dynamite GPS. So let's get this mounted up. Let's see how fast this top speed is on this drone. Come on over here and we'll show you. We're going to set it up on miles per hour, peak speed, and we'll hit record. So right now it's recording. We'll get this all strapped down.
I say at least has to go 50. At least.
It's got to do at least 50, right? This is the first time, guys, so we're just going to zoom down and come back. I know the wind's blowing out of the south, so it'll probably be faster one way than the other. All right, we're ready to go. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready.
Countdown. 3,
2,
1. What's touching?
I don't know. Nothing from what I... Oh, okay, I couldn't see that.
It's the balance cord. All right, here we go. Ready?
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
How fast do you think it's going?
Oh, I'm saying at least 50, maybe 60.
Let's see, here we go. Keep it recording, dude. 75 miles an hour. Unbelievable. 75 miles an hour. That is crazy. Well, there you have it, guys. It's probably got another mile an hour in it, so it's probably doing 76 on the data logger. And that's on dead batteries. These batteries are like 2 years old. Wow. There it is, guys. Sunday Fun Day. Thanks for watching.